Hey world, welcome back to my channel for another video. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm going to be speaking with one of my closest, dearest, most talented friends ever, Tyrone Simmons, who is a celebrity stylist. He's done work on people like LaLa Anthony, Ciara, Kelly, Rowland, Trina, you name them. He's done their hair and worked with them. He's so incredibly talented, and I'm excited to have him on. There's the fly guy himself, Tyrone Simmons. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
It's good to see you. And so with every video, I do start off with what I'm drinking. I'm having a little bit of champagne. Don't mind the big glass. Champagne with a splash of vodka in it. What about you?
Okay, so this is just tequila.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yes, that sounds good too. It's your off day, so you are entitled to whatever you want. Well, first, so let's get started. So I know in your work, you have often advocated for your clients to go natural. Why is that?
I just feel like natural hair is like it's just a better way to go. You know, you have more options with natural hair. You know, as far as straightening and as far as like coloring and chemical processes, like it's just a better way to go.
Yeah. Do you think people are intimidated by it sometimes? I know on this journey I've annoyed you plenty of times. You know, it is intimidating a bit.
It is intimidating, but you know, the main thing about natural hair is just starting the process.
Yeah.
It's starting the process, and because once you get to a certain point, it's a piece of cake.
Yeah, no, for sure. So with that being said, what would be your advice to someone like me starting out their natural curly hair journey? What would be your advice?
So first, patience. You know, patience. And second, hydration. Hydration. I can't stress enough. Moisture.
Yeah, I revealed in one of my videos that like the best thing I've ever did in my journey so far is take a porosity test, because that really helped me figure out how to best keep my hair hydrated, and it's worked wonders for me.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, hydration, porosity and elasticity is so important in like maintaining with natural hair.
Yeah. What would you say is the secret? So I guess this kind of goes into what's the secret to a good looking curl besides hydration and moisture?
So I think, me personally, I think it's finding the right product for your texture.
Yeah.
You know, because we all have so many different textures. There's so many different type of textures of hair that, you know, you really have to shop around and find that one good solid product that works for you, or it may be just like a conditioner or a leave-in conditioner, you know. And like I said before, hydration. You know, that's where curls thrive.
Yeah, no, most definitely. And I think one of the things that helped me too was like once I started doing those deep conditionings, my hair, it feels like, first of all, I felt like I had never really taken care of my hair like I do now. And it felt really good. And you get to see like the fruits of your labor after all these months, you know what I mean, and stuff. So you really encouraged me in that realm.
Oh, well, I'm glad I could help. You know, I've always loved and embraced your curls though.
Yeah, no, for sure, most definitely. And I mean, in your own journey, I mean, what have you learned about your hair? I know you've been growing it out. How many years now? 5 years?
About 4 or 5. I think wow. I've lost track. But, yeah, I've learned to like just be patient with it and let it go, you know, because your journey is so different. My journey is so different from any others, you know. I remember looking at like so many pictures and surfing the internet, you know, like, oh, I want my hair like this, I want my hair like this, I want it to look like this, but my hair looks like just like the way it's gonna look, you know, like it doesn't look like any other picture that I've like researched. It doesn't look like anything that I've seen that I felt like I wanted. And well, I love it. So it was just patience, a lot of patience, you know.
Funny story. So when I lived in Denver, Tyrone did my hair because I didn't want anyone else touching it, of course. And we have a friend who has really great short hair, and I was annoying Tyrone one time, and I was like, how do I get my hair like hers? And Tyrone's like, get some new jeans. Like, you know, I still crack up at that. But that's important because our hair is different. You know, we watch all these YouTube videos, and this product might work for this person, another product. You really got to find those right products for you. And it's a lot of trial and error.
Absolutely. It is trial and error. And you know, you just have to be patient with yourself, you know, and just really find what works best for you, or what you feel what works best for you, you know, and what you can use as easy as you want to.
And one of the things I got last week, I got my first trimming, the first time I got my hair trimmed since I started growing my hair out a year ago. And here's the photo. So you see that length. I was just shocked by how long it was, you know, because my hair is so curly, so I don't really get to see it. But my stylist was saying that, you know, that elasticity is a sign of healthy hair. What are some other signs of healthy curly hair or natural hair?
You know, everything for me goes to scalp health. You know, making sure that your scalp is hydrated, nourished, clean, you know, just goes back to like, I mean, just shampooing and conditioning your hair, like, duh.
And guys, like, I mean, speak specifically to the fellas out there who, you know, I mean, I have another friend who he's growing out his hair, and, you know, sometimes they don't want to do deep conditioning. They don't want, but it's a process. You really got to love on your hair.
Yeah. So like guys growing out hair, like, yes, like, I'm gonna say it again, hydration and shampoo that hair. You know, shampoo and condition hair, you know, at least, I mean, at least like, I mean, every 2 weeks, you should be good, you know? No, but stuff. I miss when you get way down deep in my scalp. It felt good, for sure. Any mistakes that you think people make early on in their journey? You know, because a lot of my videos are based around a beginner's journey, you know. Any mistakes going out? Is it, you know, would you say not getting your hair trimmed and getting those split ends cut off? Well, that's a big one. Not getting your hair trimmed. Okay. You know, we need to do that I recommend for most of my ladies to go every 6 to 8 weeks for a trim. But you know, most guys that don't do like hot irons and chemicals and stuff like that, they can make it a little longer. But I would say the biggest mistake is not shampooing. And then also too, there is a such thing as over conditioning.
Okay.
You know, you don't want to over condition the hair, you know, because you don't want to put a buildup on the hair.
I'm probably guilty of that a little bit, especially now. Oh, that's awesome. All right, Tyrone, thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully we can make this a regular here on my channel. You are a master at your craft.
So much.
Such a wealth of wisdom.
Thank you so much for having me. I
No
love you.
Love you. I appreciate you. And guys, thanks for tuning in. And remember, cheers to great curls and great cocktails.